unidentified armed miscreants attacked the 19 Assam Rifles troop posted at Shelon of Chandel district in the wee hours today. According to a reliable source received by TOMTV, armed miscreants used explosive and guns in the attack. The report also said that AR personnel also fought back and the cross-firing lasted for nearly half an hour. Further details are awaited. As a part of the stringent security measures being taken up by Manipur police in and around the Imphal city, a massive house-to-house search operation was conducted today by Imphal East Police at Mahabali Kabuikul of Imphal East. On the other hand, Imphal West Police team also conducted cordon and search operation in and around Polo Ground and Alugali of Imphal West. As a part of additional security measures being taken up ahead of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2019, a team of Bishnupur District Police conducted a mass search operation in many localities of Bishnupur District. The corps picked up 6 persons, including 2 bailout of the proscribed pre-park and UNLF. In a fresh incident of kidnapping in Garo Hills, 2 traders from Assam were abducted in Chokpo town of South Garo Hills of Meghalaya. According to media reports, the traders, who hail from Assam's South Salmara Mankasar district, were kidnapped by armed miscreants when they were heading towards a weekly market in Chokpot on a Mahindra Max pickup van. In a noble initiative, Football Players Association of Sikkim has come forward to raise fund for an ailing national footballer from Sikkim, Ria Lepcha. As per media reports, national and state footballers from Sikkim have been going around different locations in and around Gangtok with donation boxes for fundraising since Monday. 15 years old Ria Lepcha, who represented Sikkim in senior national football tournament, has been diagnosed with brain tumor and had the first minor surgery on October 28 last.